Welcome to Oyster Harbor at Fiddlers Creek, the Bella Casa Model. Stay tuned to learn about my exclusive new construction incentive. Featuring just over 3,000 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, and a 2-car garage. With the amazing menu of features and upgrade options, you will enjoy an unparalleled lifestyle of luxury and convenience. Hi, I'm Dan Bussard with MVP Realty. Thank you for watching this video. I look forward to helping you find the perfect Southwest Florida new home community. For a limited time, when you purchase a home through me, I will pay up to $5,000 towards your closing costs. Contact me today at 239-450-5786 or click the link below.